Hi, this is Susan Tyson with Firefly Fuel. We're a family-owned and operated company located in Sarasota, Florida. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Wicks and our Wick Holders. We sell them in packs of 10. We have two sizes. The first size is a 2.6 millimeter wick. It's cut to about 5.5 inches, and it's a round, tubular, woven cotton wick. It's absolutely the perfect wick for oil candles. Believe me, we've tried the fiberglass, and the cotton wicks work much better. The other size is a 3.6 millimeter wick, and this is about 3/16 of an inch, and the length of this is 7 3/4. All right. Now we use the 3.6 in our pillar candles. This right here is a Firefly 6-inch pillar candle, and that's why we have the additional length. For all other candles, we use the 2.6 millimeter. This is the Firefly Transcend, and it has the Bliss Petite, which is floating inside of the candle. Now let's take a closer look at the actual wick holders themselves. Now, these are the same wick holders. This is for a 2.6, this is for a 3.6 millimeter. Now the difference being only in the size of the hole that we drill. So if you can see right here in my left hand, that is a 1/16 of an inch hole for the 2.6 millimeter, and my right hand is the 3.6 millimeter, and we have an 1/8 of an inch hole. All right. Now the barrel size, the diameter of the barrel on each one of them, it's the same. It's 5/16 of an inch. The height to the top of where the wick will protrude is 9/16 of an inch. So if you measure correctly, this will be the perfect wick and holder for the candle that you're making. Now let me just give you a little bit of a tip. When you set the wick, you want to set it ever so slightly above the wick holder, just a nub. It'll take a couple of minutes for the flame to reach its maximum height, but this way you can serve fuel. You're not going to get any smoke if you're using a really good fuel like one of the Firefly fuels. Here's another tip. Make sure that you don't let your candle run dry, because what will happen is you'll start to burn the wick instead of burning the fuel. And you will be trimming this and trimming this and trimming this, and so you will not get the lifetime that you should get out of this. These things last forever. Now see what I just did? I pulled it out. How do I get it back in? Dental floss. There's another video that my husband Phil did showing you how to use dental floss to easily get this back in the wick holder. So I guess that about wraps it up. If you have any questions, just give us a call or drop an email to us. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.